Mama, fíjate yo. Ay, ông cá thì chưa thật tiên người. Yahoo. 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 Mẹ you. I play basketball.
Wait, Yod.
Okay. One balina, listen to
Wait, Phoebe. Come on, come back. Doc.
Key. Okay. Mine's wet.
Man đã cả chín vào hai.
Nước bà.
Ai, đôi nhân man vào rồi. Ai, nó mới chấm thì nó nhàng bé đi ép từ nhà đó rồi. Ôi đè. Vậy. Nó còn như mà bên chứ. Tuan mau cakap ni kita. Ben gini ni kia lo orang ni. Tangan.
Tao lại đuôi đi.
Ông man thì chơi quạt chứ. Man đó. Ăn kinh.
Ma. Ma.
Ở chân nó còn lết quạt đừng được thì nó được vô cả.
Không bật nước rửa.
Chân nó cái kia thôi.
Đi con bật nước rửa. Dân đứng thì mình lên chân vậy.
Ban nó lấy chân mà.
Dân bật cái dân một số.
Chân kia rồi.
Bấm tất cả của ba. Go down.
Rồi.
Let's go to tôi ăn được chơi. Cái kia đi.
Itu buat banyak dah. Ay man dog.
Mama ini.
Dog deh.
Ăn trong này.
Piak hai. Oh dong. Oh.
Baby mama, baby.
Kan sedol ni kita arbe je kai. Kaj. Kai gam doi. Ini lai kai kuat dengan yang nak kai gam ai. Mak tu dah cinyan bang.
Ikan dia baby, yung baby.
Kuat dengan yang. Kai gam ai. Ai. Man đó dữ vậy.
Man
Man đó buồn. Yo, kai chỉ tôn rồi chứ.
No.
Parai. Tôi tè ý nè.
Mất nhiều rồi. Ikan baca je. Yang kini?
Sekarang dua tu.
Nam go chane. No.
Sekarang betul tu.
Go. Coba lu pergi.
Jalan lại.
Man trong này mấy ni.
Mấy con bự.
Im lặng này cục. No. Okay.
Ngâm kia của anh đừng quất năng cái.
Kia ơi. Mama. Tibi in. Ma bal baca lu muat be. Bal baca gini bal calbut. Calbut ah. Calbut dari kembali. Nyam nyam nyam. What is this?
The thing is, it's such a small area
Uh-huh.
that once you catch one or two, then you don't,
You don't
because I think they get scared,
right, right. Okay.
But it's also easy. I have this lure, but
Yeah.
you can, come with a worm
Uh-huh. Put a woman there.
and a little bobber, and just
Yes.
put the bobber here and a little hook with a worm, or
Okay.
little pieces of bread or a little piece of hot dog or
Right.
all sorts of things.
Okay. Good, good. Good to know, yeah.
Yeah, that's easier if you just have something, with a bobber
Uh-huh.
that floats.
Yes.
That way you can just cast it and you can wait. This you have to keep.
So that one you have to keep rolling
Yeah,
it.
'cause
Okay.
It swims.
Oh, okay.
And around here it's hard to cast because there's so many. This is like the most open area.
Okay.
Anywhere else,
Yeah.
there's so many trees. You have to
Oh,
be real.
man.
Half the time you get stuck.
Try to get in, yeah.
All right, let's see if
Man.
I can get some.
Okay. Yes. Whoa, look at this.
So pretty, isn't
It is so
he?
gorgeous.
Sunfish.
Sunfish.
Or also a brim. They call them brim,
Uh-huh.
or a sunfish.
Okay.
Isn't he pretty?
Awesome. This is so pretty.
Wow.
Wow.
They're hungry.
Wow. Look at that. Ina. Monday, look at that. Wow. Look at that. You got fish. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, that's
So,
a good. That's a good spot there with the, they like the tree. They have the
Like
shade,
this one.
and it's deep.
Right.
That's a good spot if you have a bobber floating. You can just put it there and just let it kind of.
Just to drop it
or
there.
you throw it here,
Uh-huh.
and you let it like slowly drift right in that deep spot, and they come out from under those rocks and stuff.
Got it. Got it.
You can't see them, but they're
Yeah, you
I see a couple little
Oh,
ones.
there's the other one, yeah.
Two little ones.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they're all over in here.
It's that one, yeah. Oh.
There's catfish also and bass. I call it a bass.
Bass. Okay. Oh,
Look at that. Yeah, see?
so happy, man.
Again.
Wow.
But
Let's
like
see.
I said, it's so small, so you have to be careful not to
Right.
startle them or let the kids throw rocks in
Rocks in
there.
it. Yeah,
Something
that's
like
good.
that.
Yeah.
Right, but you come down and just be quiet. And,
Right.
But like if you don't, once they stop biting, you can move to another area
Yeah.
and then come back because I think they kind of get scared after a while.
Right. Right.
I think.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Wow.
I think again.
Wow.
I think. Okay.
He got
Okay,
fish,
Again, come
This
down.
is wonderful to see, fish that he caught here.